Okay, we've got one bird back in his cage. Hopefully I don't speak the other one. Okay. Hans? Where's the door? There he is on the other side. Where's the door? Show me where the door is. Where's the door? Oh my goodness. We have achieved. We have achieved. And they both like the sea bowl. Sorry, I got the DVD back on in the background. That was unbelievable. I think your owner would be happy to see that. Yeah? Now put the cage door down now. Yeah? All that flying around made certain little budgies hungry. They're still a bit unsure about me because it's only day 6, but yeah. Greta wants to get in the sea bowl because I'm right up. And I don't know how to stop her from doing that. And then there's a big fight. Oh dear. You're going to be a bossy one, aren't you? Alright, I'm going to leave it there. Anyway, they seem to be settling in okay. We're still... It's going to be a while, I think, before I get them comfortable with me and them comfortable as well with the cage and everything else that goes with it. So, yeah, we're getting there. Say bye-bye. No, I'm just bloody hungry. And I'm just going to push Hans out the way. Oh, okay, we're doing well.